Welcome to LaFleur Arms, Dragon 6 Golf here. This video, I'm cleaning the 3 pistols I've been shooting at the range. This one right here is my newest pistol, Smith & Wesson M&P 380 Shield Easy. Now real quick on this one, I've probably fired about, 200 rounds myself, and my nephew probably about another 50 or so. It's been very good. It's actually my favorite weapon right now. It's accurate. It's got a soft trigger. I'm still surprised every time I pull the trigger because how soft it is. I don't anticipate pulling it. It's been very good so far. I'll let you know when I hit like the 1,000 round mark, which will probably be pretty soon. But the next one I clean after this is my Smith & Wesson M&P 45. It's the old version, the full size. That weapon's always been good to me. I love using it. I love the 45. It's probably one of my favorite calibers. But 380 right now is my favorite because it's easy to get back on target. It's easy to reload. It's light on my side here. So yeah, 380 is my favorite round besides the 45. And 45 is just old school. It's what I shot a lot as a kid. Is why I like it. And then the last pistol I clean here is my wife's Beretta PX4 Storm in the 40 cal. It's a compact version. This weapon is also one of my favorites because it has the single action, double action trigger. In single action mode, it is crisp. It is light to pull. I love triggers like that. And basically because it reminds me of the Beretta M9 that I had used while in the Army. Same trigger system. But anyway, thanks so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and let me know if you want to view other stuff. Thanks so much. Dragon 6 Golf out.